How does the environment impact Teotihuacan burial preservation? Have you ever wondered how the environment affects the preservation of ancient burials? At Teotihuacan, a fascinating archaeological site, the surroundings play a vital role in how well these burials are maintained. Let's take a closer look at the environmental factors that influence the preservation of these historical treasures. Teotihuacan is located in a valley with a semi-arid climate. This means it experiences seasonal rains, wind, and strong sunlight. These natural elements can gradually wear away exposed archaeological materials, including burial sites. For instance, rainfall can lead to erosion. Sometimes this erosion can bury burials deeper, which helps protect them from disturbances. However, it can also cause damage through water infiltration and soil movement. Wind and dust storms are another concern. They can erode the surface of burial sites, leading to the loss of fragile artifacts. Additionally, solar radiation can speed up the decomposition of organic materials, especially when burials are not well protected underground. The landscape and soil around Teotihuacan also impact burial preservation. In ancient times, deforestation and soil exhaustion increased erosion and made the landscape less stable. This environmental change likely affected how well burials were preserved by altering the soil around them. Over centuries, episodes of erosion and sediment deposition have changed the landscape, sometimes burying older soils and archaeological layers under newer sediment. This can create conditions that either protect or complicate the preservation of burials. Most burials at Teotihuacan were found under residential floors in simple graves. The depth of these graves is important. Deeper burials tend to be better protected from environmental changes. In some cases, artificial structures like pyramids and temples can shield burials from direct exposure, which improves their preservation. Recent discoveries at Teotihuacan have shown that some burials were part of complex rituals. These burials may have been placed in protected or symbolically significant locations, which could also influence how well they are preserved. Understanding how the environment impacts burial preservation is essential for archaeologists. It helps them develop better excavation strategies, like careful analysis of soil layers to distinguish between natural changes and human activities. Conservation efforts at Teotihuacan must also consider ongoing environmental threats, such as rain, wind, and sunlight, to protect exposed burials and structures. By creating databases that include burial contexts and environmental data, researchers can analyze patterns in preservation related to location and burial type. The environment at Teotihuacan plays a key role in how well these ancient burials are preserved, shaping the archaeological record that we study today.